Imagine waking up one morning, checking your phone, and realizing you made money while you slept. No extra hours at work, no overtime, just smart systems quietly generating income for you. Sounds like a dream, right? But for thousands of people around the world, it's a daily reality. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build multiple streams of income and move closer to true financial freedom. Welcome to Rich Map, your guide to building wealth and creating a life of independence. Let's face it, relying on one income source is risky. Your job could change, your business could slow down, and one unexpected event can throw your entire financial stability off balance. But when you have multiple streams of income, you are not just surviving, you are thriving. You have options, control, and peace of mind. And the best part, you do not need to be a millionaire or a financial genius to start. You just need the right mindset, strategy, and a willingness to take consistent action. So let's start by understanding what multiple streams of income actually mean. Simply put, it's about diversifying where your money comes from. Instead of depending on a single paycheck, you build several different income sources. Active, where you trade time for money, and others passive, where money comes in even when you are not working. The balance of these streams creates long-term stability and growth. Your first stream will likely be your primary income, your job or main business. But instead of stopping there, you want to use that income as the foundation to build others. For example, if you have a 9-to-5 job, you can start investing a small portion of your earnings into something that can generate returns over time. It could be stocks, real estate, or even an online business. The key is to make your money work for you, instead of spending it all. Let's talk about one of the most accessible secondary income streams, whether it's in stocks, index funds, or ETFs. Investing helps you grow your wealth through compounding. You can start small, maybe $50 or $100 a month. Gradually increase it. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The goal here is not to get rich overnight, but to let your investments snowball into something powerful over the years. Now, let's add another layer. Creating a side hustle. A side hustle could be anything from freelancing, teaching online, to selling digital products or running an e-commerce store. The internet has made it easier than ever to start something from scratch with little money. For instance, you could offer your skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Or if you are creative, you could sell print-on-demand products through sites like Etsy or Redbubble. These side hustles might start small, but over time they can turn into consistent monthly income. Another smart way to build income is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. If you already have a social media following, a YouTube channel, or even a blog, affiliate marketing can become a powerful source of passive income. It does not require creating your own product. You just recommend tools, apps, or services that genuinely help people. Then we have digital assets, things like ebooks, online courses, or even YouTube content. Once created, these assets can generate income again and again without additional work. Imagine publishing a course that helps people learn a skill you already know. You record it once, and every new student who joins becomes part of your income stream. That's the magic of scalability, earning more without working more. Now, let's talk about real estate, one of the oldest and most proven wealth-building tools. Owning rental property or investing through real estate crowdfunding platforms can provide stable monthly cash flow. You can start small, maybe by renting out a portion of your home or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in property portfolios without physically owning buildings. The beauty of real estate is that your assets tend to appreciate over time while also paying you passive income. Another underrated stream is creating content, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. Content creation can turn into a serious business. Once you grow your audience, monetization options open. Up ads, sponsorships, digital products, memberships, and more. It takes time to build, but with consistency and authenticity, your content can generate significant income while building your personal brand. But here is something most people overlook. Do not try to build 5 streams at once. Start with 1 or 2. Learn how they work, get them running smoothly, and then move to the next. Think of it like stacking blocks. Each one supports the next. If you chase everything at once, you will end up with nothing stable. Focus on mastery over multitasking. Also, automate your systems wherever possible. For example, set up automatic investments, schedule content uploads, or use software that handles transactions for your business. Automation saves time and keeps your income flowing even when life gets busy. The truth is, building multiple income streams is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building financial security and freedom slowly and steadily. Every extra $100 you earn monthly from a new source adds up. Over time, these streams can replace your job income or give you the cushion to take bigger risks, like starting your dream business or traveling the world without worrying about bills. Now imagine this: you have a job that pays your bills, an investment portfolio that grows quietly, a small online business that generates cash every month, and a YouTube channel or digital product that brings in passive income. That's 4 income streams, all working together. Even if one slows down, the others keep you afloat. That's real financial independence. So if you have been relying on a single paycheck, it's time to rethink your approach. Start today, no matter how small. Choose one stream, commit to it, and once it's stable, move on to the next. The earlier you start, the sooner you will enjoy the freedom that comes from having money flowing from multiple directions. Remember, building wealth is not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. You do not need luck, just consistent effort and patience. And when you look back a year or 2 from now, you will thank yourself for starting today. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Rich Map for more practical strategies to grow your income and create financial freedom. Drop a comment below telling me which income stream you are planning to start first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we continue mapping your journey to wealth, one stream at a time.